I see you. You good.
What's good? Some shrimp, some dead crabs. That might be it from what we get out of here. A bag of ice and
You want some more water?
a little bit more.
I see you. You good.
Hey, don't this shit be alive?
Oh, you think that would be okay with that?
Heck yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't like go down. It was just like,
We're just swimming off.
yeah.
Bro.
Kevin just lost his keys.
I lost two.
What the?
I have to change my hooks. I got a circle hook on.
Need them,
We can scan it in case he flops with that. It's a big ass hook.
Yeah, it is.
What's up, buddy? I sure do appreciate you, homie. Made me look good out here.
Now we're gonna have to see who cooks up the best sheep head.
It ain't you. Not yet, at least. Get you like 3 feet of what, fluorocarbon?
Yeah.
Look at the teeth on that bad boy.
Are they teeth like terrible? Them bitches kind of sharp looking like too.
Yeah, they are.
I'll tell you that here. I got bit by one.
Oh, you crazy? Push up, man. Watch, I'm finna get him again. The same one too. Watch. I'm a whisperer at this shit. Watch this. Bro, I love you, dog. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so emotional right now. Louder, bro. And it's a doormat. I told y'all they were here.
I told y'all they were here.
That might be legal. How long that have to be?
I think you gotta be 15 at least.
He might be there.
Bro, this thing, he ain't opened his mouth.
Drum. It's the drum. Yep.
That ruler.
How big that has to be, bro?
You want to
15.
check it over here? Or over there?
Don't matter. Need a gripper? Barely be there. Barely. He's 16.
Oh, yeah,
he's legal.
Are we taking that?
Hell yeah, you taking that. Oh, let me get you. Oh, put it in the mouth. Okay. Don't want to fucking lose that. Hey, Jaden. 16 and a half. Yeah.
Bro, they stay like,
He's 16 and a half.
no, I gotta cut this line.
So you ain't gotta cut it. Hold on. Grab it. See if you can open it up.
Actually, I can grab it. Hold on. If you can hold it. Yeah, no, he swallowed it. That's another fish.
You want a picture with your far put up? Oh, they're hard work. You got one?